Welcome to the Ordering Fractions Calculator tutorial for MathCelebrity.com. If you have a list of fractions that you want to compare and order from lowest to highest or highest to lowest, you can use this calculator. The way you get to the calculator and run your problem is simple. You just pick your fractions and separate each of them by a comma. So we'll start with 1/2, comma, 3/5, comma, 2/6, comma, 5/8, comma, 3/7. You can do any number of fractions. For this example, we'll do 5. Press calculator, hit the return key, and we jump to our multiple fractions calculator. So the first thing it does is check to see if there's a common denominator for all of your fractions. If there's not, it's going to find the denominator that is most common to all of the fractions. In that case, we have 840. And the nice thing is you can click our factoring lesson and it'll show how we determined that 840 is the denominator to use for all these fractions. Once we get a common denominator, it will order the fractions first from lowest to highest. You can see in this section here. And then secondly, it'll do from highest to lowest. Now, if you're on the calculator, you could have also entered your fractions separated by a comma. This lesson you can also add actually 3 fractions too. So for instance, let's say we wanted to add these 3 fractions. Let's add 5 divided by 7 for a 4th fraction and press return. So now the calculator recognizes that you entered plus signs instead of commas. So what it's going to do is find the greatest common factor, find your denominator. So 56. It's going to simplify the fraction, and then if the greatest common factor exists, you'll actually see a line right here to simplify the fraction even more. This one was already simplified, so we can't reduce it any further. If you have any questions or feedback, as always, use the Contact Us link. Thanks for watching.